everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be looking at the rbrick series 39 blind boxes. So let's get right into it. So yeah, I haven't opened them yet. They just came out recently, so let's open them up. Before actually I do that, show you the side of the box as usual, where it shows you the percentages. I'm not super crazy about this box. Looking at it, I really like this one here. I don't even know what it is, but you know, we'll see what we get. Knowing my luck, I'm probably gonna get basic again. Ooh, wow. So this is the first one that I got. It's an artist one. It's this one right here. But it looks really nice. It looks a lot better in person than it does on the box. Oh wow. It has a nice matte finish. The ears are kind of like silver, and it has like a diamond finish. Can't really see. I guess that's the artist signature on the back. It's really nice. I actually really like this one. Alright, let's open the card. My battery's gonna die, so let's do this quickly. It's the card. Sweet. And let's quickly do this one before my battery dies. Translucent colors, the back, very nice, very nice. Let's see if I can get this card open real quick before my camera dies. And here's the card, pretty simple. Anyways, thank you for joining me. I'm super happy with these ones. I didn't get a basic this time, so I'm really excited about that. I'll have more on my website with the details about each one from the series, and also a little bit more background about these ones as well. Check out my website, www.writtenbyjust.com. Thanks. See ya. Hey, thanks for stopping by on my channel. I would really appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed. There's more to see on my blog at www.writtenbyjust.com. Check out the links in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.